My Little Irish Canary by Collins and Harlan, Edison Record. Her Patty sings, she's the real thing, she's aces high with her voice. But there is one, sings just for fun, she is the girl of my choice. My Marianne, warble she can, beat all the Patties you heard. Songs I adore, songs become more, she bubbles forth like a bird. My little Irish Canary, Mary Ann, sings in a voice light and airy, Mary Ann. Talk of Paisley and she sharp and all that, when I get the price she will sing in her flat. My little Irish Canary, Mary Ann. Dear Irish tune, softly she croons, no German opera for her. Wearing the green, my sweet Colleen, those are the songs I prefer. And when I'm sad, she makes me glad, singing Canary to me. Songs of the heart, songs of the bird, air and the gem of the sea. My little Irish Canary, Mary Ann, sings in a voice light and airy,